Hello guys, today we prepare French toast. Very easy recipe. You need a toast bread. I will use 4 slices. 1 egg, 40, 50, 60 ml of milk, up to you. Half teaspoon of cinnamon and a pinch of nutmegs. If you like, you can put also vanilla. This bread is already with vanilla flavor, so I don't put it. And after you can put the things that you like it within, like fresh fruit. I will use it, pineapple and mango, because now here is the season. Yogurt, chocolate, crumbles, the thing that you like, maple syrup, up to you. And naturally you will need a butter to fry them in the pan. See you later. Spectacular. If you like me, you can add condensed milk, a little bit of powdered sugar. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch all the other videos, to share this video with your friends, to subscribe to Facebook page, to Instagram page, and also let us know how usually you eat this French toast, with strawberries, with blackberries, with honey, with pineapple. Bye bye.